Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, LaCasas5 here. Today I'm gonna do a quick engine bay wash. So my car is pretty filthy these days. The engine bay is pretty bad, and I think it's been a while since this was done on the car. And I thought I'd just show you because I did it on my 350Z once. It was a quick process, like less than an hour. Very simple. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so for that wash, you're gonna need some purple power, a spraying bottle or the gallon, whatever you prefer, some brushes, a bigger brush that I usually use for my wheels. Then you're gonna need that sprayer with a hose, of course, water hose. This is better just because I don't want you to pressure wash it. This can be damaging, this can be dangerous to damage, those little rubber lines and the sensors. So it's better to just have a light mist all over the engine bay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's pretty filthy down there. There's filthy as well. In between, you can see here, it's not looking great. In between here, it has some poo, I think, actually. Jesus freaking Christ. Something poo in it. There. Disgusting. I'm gonna spray that shit out of there. So I'm definitely gonna move all of that and give it a nice wash. So the first step for that, you need to disconnect the negative battery. So mine is in the trunk. Simply unplug it, make sure it's tight and it does not touch it at any moment. So here I have my wire in the back that's nice in here. There's no way this is gonna move. Perfect. You can even put something in between, which is what I'm probably gonna do. I have my lifting belt, so I'm probably gonna put it here just to make sure, just extra precautions, and we can get into it. Now it's time for the final rinse. I'm gonna try to not splash it, not soak it. So just a quick rinse. Maybe not the final, I'll see whenever it dries. And let it dry for a little bit. Make sure you have either a air compressor or maybe something like just a rag so you can get those spots which has a lot more water in between here. These spots are great. The poop of my shit. Only time I use the jets just for this little shit here. Alright guys, let me show you from close for a second. Alright, a couple of stuff here, but in between it's looking a lot cleaner. Might use a little bit more here. It's looking good guys. Didn't even apply a plastic trimmer or whatever plastic trimmer to order. Just gonna let it dry, put a microfiber, maybe get some small areas like here touched up a little bit more, and that's about it. All right, so now to finish it off, the engine bay is clean. Just some purple power degreaser. Just gonna use some dry microfiber rag just to wipe down all around the areas, and also I'm gonna make sure to get those spots in between the seams where I can get as much water as I can. Then let it dry for as much as I can, actually, a couple of hours, like even maybe until tomorrow morning if that's needed, just to be safe. So I think that's better. If you have a compressor, you know, it's just so much easier. Just make sure to use it. And yeah, basically that's about it. I'll show you once the car is dry tomorrow. So I actually forgot that I had my plastic sprayer, and I'm actually just gonna use the air here to just blast around and just dry it. Like I said, you don't really need it. It's looking much better already. It's gonna dry by itself, but if you don't have time, you can use that. So yeah, guys, one more thing and it should be done. Tomorrow I'll show you again once it's completely dry without even applying any plastic trim restorer. Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm sorry I couldn't really record last time because it was dark and I couldn't have a good video and I couldn't show you the before and after, so I took pictures and posted them on my IG. So as you can see, you can pause anytime. The difference is huge, and yeah, it's just a 40-30 minutes max. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.